What if I told you this stunning 1957 Cadillac isn't just a classic, it's a rolling piece of American luxury history that still turns heads nearly 70 years later? Back in 1957, owning a Cadillac wasn't just about transportation. It was a symbol of success, prestige, and the American dream. And this breathtaking 1957 Cadillac Series 62 convertible captures everything that made the era unforgettable. Finished in a mirror-like glossy black exterior paired with a striking red and white interior, this convertible looks like it rolled straight out of a Hollywood movie. Every inch reflects timeless craftsmanship, from the brilliant chrome accents to the elegant white vinyl convertible top. Powering this masterpiece is Cadillac's legendary 365 cubic inch V8 engine, producing an impressive 300 horsepower. Feeding the engine are factory-style carburetors, delivering the smooth performance and unmistakable V8 soundtrack that defined luxury motoring in the late 1950s. Power is sent through an overdrive automatic transmission, making every drive effortless, whether cruising city streets or open highways. Combined with the factory-style rear end, this Cadillac delivers the relaxed, floating ride buyers expected from America's premier luxury brand. Behind the wheel, comfort comes first. Equipped with power steering, this enormous convertible feels surprisingly easy to maneuver. Power brakes provide confident stopping power, making the driving experience as refined today as it was decades ago. The car proudly rides on original-style chrome hubcap wheels, wrapped in beautiful 235/75 R15 radial white wall tires. Those wide white walls perfectly complement the sweeping chrome trim and instantly transport you back to the golden age of American automobiles. Walking around the exterior reveals countless design details that made Cadillac famous. Massive chrome accents sparkle from every angle, while the iconic taillight fuel filler remains one of the most ingenious styling features ever created. Even the classic dual horns remind you this was the pinnacle of luxury engineering. Raise or lower the white vinyl power convertible top, and the entire personality of the car changes. Top down, it becomes the perfect boulevard cruiser. Top up, it transforms into an elegant luxury coupe ready for any weather. Underneath, this Cadillac has been carefully maintained with a black painted underside that looks exceptionally clean. A new exhaust system with factory-style mufflers preserves the authentic Cadillac sound while ensuring dependable performance. The suspension has also been refreshed with a new factory-style suspension, helping recreate the famously smooth Cadillac ride. New brake lines and new fuel lines further enhance reliability, allowing future owners to enjoy worry-free cruising. Open the long, elegant doors, and you're greeted by a stunning red and white interior that perfectly complements the exterior. The expansive bench seating offers enough room for family and friends to travel in first-class comfort. Soft red carpeting stretches throughout the cabin, adding warmth and luxury beneath your feet. Directly ahead sits a beautiful dashboard featuring factory-style gauges, preserving the authentic appearance that collectors appreciate. Entertainment comes courtesy of the classic AM-style radio, providing the vintage atmosphere enthusiasts love. Whether listening to oldies stations or simply enjoying the sound of the V8, every drive becomes an unforgettable experience. Luxury features continue with power windows, allowing effortless operation at the touch of a button, an impressive feature for a car from 1957. The power convertible top also operates smoothly, making open-air driving incredibly convenient. Even the trunk reflects Cadillac's commitment to quality. It's beautifully finished and includes a matching spare tire, showing the same attention to detail found throughout the vehicle. From its towering chrome grille to its graceful rear fins, every angle of the 1957 Cadillac Series 62 convertible celebrates an era when American manufacturers built cars with unmatched style and presence. It's impossible to park this Cadillac without attracting a crowd. Today, surviving examples in this condition are highly sought after by collectors worldwide. They represent not only automotive history, but also one of the greatest design periods ever seen in the American automobile industry, whether displayed at prestigious car shows, enjoyed on sunny weekend cruises, or added to a world-class collection. This Cadillac offers an ownership experience few classics can match. Adding to its appeal, Vanguard Motor Sales also offers a fast and competitive financing process, making it easier for enthusiasts to own the classic car of their dreams. The 1957 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible isn't simply a vintage automobile. It's rolling artwork, American engineering excellence, and timeless luxury combined into one unforgettable machine. Nearly 7 decades later, it still commands respect everywhere it goes, proving that true automotive icons never go out of style. If you love legendary American classics like this Cadillac, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we'll be bringing you more incredible dream cars in every upcoming video. Which classic Cadillac would you love to own? Let us know in the comments below.